your company, your style, your smile, your peace mentality. Lord, have mercy on me. I was blind, now I can see what a king's supposed to be. Baby, I feel free. Come on and go with me. Let's take a long walk around the park after dark. Find a spot for us to spark conversation, verbal elation, stimulation. Share our situation, temptation, education, relaxation, elevation. Maybe we could talk about Surah 31:18. Your background, it ain't squeaky clean shit. Sometimes we all got to swim upstream. You ain't no saint, we all a sinner. But you put your good foot down and make your soul the winner. I respect that. Man, you're so fat, and you're all that, plus supreme. Woke up this morning with a smile on my face. Jumped out of bed, took a shower, dressed, cleaned up my place. Made me some breakfast. Two scrambled eggs, grits. Grab my keys, grab my purse, grab my jacket off to work. Beaming all the way down Third. Is it the way you love me, baby? Can't wait to get home. Nah, girl, I got something else to do.
Damn, Jill, don't be frontin' on your girls, for real.
Go ahead, really get your groove on. 'Cause tonight my man's coming through.
Oh, word?
Yeah, we gon' have to connect some other time. As much as I like to shake my thing on the dance floor, I got another nasty freaky just right where you're mine. Tonight I'm gonna beat the high score. So many times you try to cut we. You wanna tear it down, but you can't touch we. We ain't invincible, but Lord knows we are beautiful and blessed. Check the affirmative. Oh yes.
Don't let nobody hold you back. No, no, no.
Don't let nobody hold you, control your emotion.
Don't let
nobody
hold you back. No, no, no.
Am I my brother's keeper? Yes, I am. So many times you try to burn we. You wanna break we down. We ain't invincible, but Lord